Hello everyone, Fatty from Pack Up Punch Traders here. Just gonna make a quick video lesson going over some morning trades here. It's about midday. Um, Kind of a shaky morning for me, not the best execution wise. Money wise, a little under 400 bucks, not too bad, can't complain, but definitely should have been more than that. And if I was just less emotional and executed properly, I would have really captured this Lgvn move. So let's just jump into this. Actually, let's start from the beginning. Celz. That was my main watch today. It was a beautiful move pre-market from 339, took off, got up here to 390, and just went straight to 5, and it just retreated. And for me, I was looking at this as a multi-day bounce. It was right out of my watch list. Top watch here, all on Twitter as well. Let me go over on Twitter because that has my updated top watches from the morning. Start. Right here. So I was looking at IGMS, Celz, Agri, and Lgvn. So let's start off with Celz. That was what I was really watching this morning. And it was just choppy and exhausting. Took 2 trades on it in the morning. The first one got in as it held here and right before it was about to break. So a little premature, but kind of glad I did, or else I would have taken a bigger loss. But that was just like a $56 loss. Started off at like 411 average and then got stopped out here at 95. And then I saw this quick perk back. This was on live stream, and I got excited again for this. And then I ended up having to leave, but I did trade this. 900 shares, 418. Was really excited for a moment, and then all of a sudden it just retreated, and I was annoyed, so I instantly market sold. Got out at like 429, so just like 11 cents, just like about 100 bucks. Nothing crazy. And then here we are failing. It is holding back, so we'll see what this does later on for a hard break. Going into a 515 multi-day breakout level. After that, not much resistance to the sixes. Yeah, 6, 7. So we'll see what this thing could do. But that was just a disappointing start to the day, which really frustrated me. Which it shouldn't have, but it got to my head. And when I went to trade Lgvn, was just really thinking about the money, and that totally messed me up. Saw it here, perking back, holding VWAP, got in 987, 350 shares. Or actually, let's go over on the daily chart. Excuse me. So we got a little breakout over the high eights, 9-ish area. It's a low float play, solid volume, former runner. Not much to it. So when I saw it in the morning, I thought it would be a nice open price hold, reclaim, whichever way it would set up. Just looking for it to fail to break down and start climbing back, which would have been a great entry here at 939 open price, VWAP hold. But I totally missed that. And I started looking at it as a pre-market high break slash high day break around 10:15. So got into that mess, 350 shares at 987, and like a dummy, just thinking about money, took a quick um gain right into 1040. Just foolish of me. Should have been patient. I don't know why I did it. Was just thinking of the money. Saw I was up decently and just took it off. And that was just not good. It's holding. There's volume. It just started breaking. I didn't really give it the chance to develop. I was just in my head thinking about money. Saw that I was up. Didn't want it to fail back on me and just took my quick gains. And then I regretted it. So then I got back in for 200 shares at 1030 and then took another quick small move into 1097. Just being emotional, saw the perk. I wanted it to get to 11 initially, so I thought it might face some resistance there, but should have been one whole complete trade with some more size adding into this instead of taking it off. A little disappointed, and it even took off for another dollar, so left a bit on the table. Not too bad. That's what those two weird trades brought me back nicely. so about 380 bucks on the day. So that was Lgvn, just poor execution, but that's the pattern. Open price play. Just looking for these key levels when it's failing to break down, doing great volume, low float, holding a breakout level, double bottoming right around it, and then came back for a open price play. This one should have really been my main watch. That really, yeah, that was a bad call for me. We'll see what this thing does here. This thing's starting to look like it's failing to break down. I typically, with the multi-day bounces, when there's a huge move, if it's gapping up 15, 20% or so, I'm not a huge fan of that because I see it as shorts already kind of getting out and covering their position. And that, like, the move that I want already had happened. So that's why I saw it as a risky play already in the morning. So that was disappointing to see it fail because the other day we had CLVR, which was similar, and that one ended up working out, and I left a lot on the table, and that one had a nice perk in the morning, gap up, failed to break down, and came back, and it kept going even higher. So I was having that in mind, that it could fail, but at the same time, just recently we had a nice move with CLVR. So here we are trying to come back to VWAP. This could be a very nice high at daybreak, over 450 to test the 515 area, and that could be an area to dump it and maybe rebuy as it confirms the breakout level over 515, or it might use it as resistance. We'll see. So we'll have to wait and see, be the judge of that. But it's setting up nicely. Shorts who thought this really was gonna be over and that the shorts are back in control after this little pop here, it was just gonna fail. But right now we're seeing it breaking their expectations. Had a not decent little higher low here, double bottom from the morning lows, and then we're here slowly grinding back, a little perk in volume, nothing super exciting yet. Still needs to get above VWAP as well, get back to the 430s, 440s, 450 area to really be exciting. But yeah, so that was my crappy little morning. Not too bad though. It's just the execution could have been better. Just got my head, and that's the disappointing part. Was really focusing on the money today, and that led a poor trade here, which made me kind of hate myself because I shouldn't have done that, as well as I was barely up on the day. So it was just kind of disappointing seeing a play that I really wanted to happen not work out, on top of trading it when I knew I kind of shouldn't have. So that led to an emotional trade on Lgvn when I should have been calm and capitalizing on the opportunity that I had. So I guess that'll just be the video lesson for today, just going over these couple trades and my annoying morning. I'll make another one later on, going over the whole day. Maybe another trade pops up, but just definitely need to work on my emotions so I'm not getting worked up whenever a play doesn't work out and a day goes by with either a small profit or no profit. It happens sometimes. So learn from your mistakes and just move on. And yeah, we'll be back later, maybe back on the live stream in an hour or so. I don't know if Jared's doing that right now. I'm just at home doing a video lesson. So check out tradecaster.com for a free live stream. Subscribe to our channel here for more content like this. Like this video if this was useful. And follow us on Twitter at Pack-a-Punch Traders to get alerts, our watch list every night, updated top watches in the morning. There's a bunch of free material out there. Take advantage of it. And yeah, so hope everyone's had a great day, and let's finish it strong.